Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is considered the best baby paper crinkle toy available on the market, the original baby paper crinkle teether and sensory toy. This innovative product is designed specifically for babies and infants, combining the fun and sound of crinkly paper with the safety and durability needed for tiny hands and mouths. This toy was developed by a mother who wanted to keep her kids entertained, especially during outings like restaurant visits. The result is a sensory toy that produces a satisfying crinkly sound whenever touched, engaging babies' auditory senses while keeping them entertained. Its unique design features high-contrast black and white stripes that immediately grab a baby's attention and maintain their focus for hours. The bright colors and distinct patterns are carefully chosen to aid in sensory development, stimulating visual tracking and cognitive recognition at an early age. Measuring about 6 inches square, this toy fits perfectly in a baby's tiny hands, making it easy to hold, squeeze, and explore. It's also designed with teething babies in mind. The soft, textured materials are soothing on sensitive gums, offering safe relief from teething discomfort. Unlike regular paper, this baby paper toy offers all the sensory benefits without the choking hazard, as it contains no small parts and is made from BPA-free, non-toxic materials. One of the standout features is that it is completely washable. You can easily toss it in the washing machine, making it practical for busy parents and ensuring the toy remains clean and safe for repeated use. Being lightweight and portable, it's perfect for on-the-go families looking for a simple yet effective way to keep their little ones engaged. In addition to being an excellent sensory and teething toy, the baby paper is also a thoughtful gift option for baby showers. New parents appreciate toys that contribute to their baby's development while providing a calming effect. This toy encourages babies to develop crucial skills such as grabbing, focusing, and listening, all while enjoying the tactile experience of the crinkly material. The original baby paper crinkle toy is crafted from phthalate-free paper-like material that mimics the texture and sound of real paper, but with durability that withstands chewing and handling. The safety testing ensures it meets strict standards, so parents can feel confident letting their babies explore freely. To sum it up, this baby paper crinkle toy is a simple yet brilliant sensory product. Its combination of engaging visual contrast, soothing teething material, delightful sound, and easy maintenance makes it a top choice for parents seeking a multifunctional toy that supports early development. Whether you're looking to entertain your baby at home or need a portable distraction during outings, this toy covers it all with safety and style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.